Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to download and install uTorrent on Windows 11 step by step in the easiest way, so let's get started. First of all, open any browser on your computer, like Chrome or Edge, and go to the search bar. Here you need to type uTorrent and press enter. Now from the search results, click on the first official website to make sure you are downloading the original and safe version. Once the website opens, you will land on the uTorrent homepage. From here, look for the option that says Classic Free Download and click on it. After that, you will see multiple versions of uTorrent, but you don't need to worry about that. Simply select the free basic version because it is completely free and works perfectly for most users. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder or click on the file directly. This will start the installation process. When the setup window appears, you will see a welcome screen, so just click on the next button to continue. Again, click on next. In this case, we just need the desktop icon, so keep that selected and click on next. It will take a few seconds to install uTorrent on your system. Once the installation is completed, you will see the final screen, and you can see that it has been successfully installed on your Windows 11 computer and is ready to use. So that's it. If you like this video, then make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for updates so you don't miss more useful tech tutorials like this.